welcome to Foodland. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous, such a delicious and healthy meal, and it's called shrimp fajita. Enjoy this nice and hot and flavorful shrimp fajita with this dipping sauce. So let's check out the ingredients and let's start with the recipe. Alright, let's check out the ingredients for shrimp fajita. I've taken shrimps, they are already peeled, and I just washed them and pat dry them with a paper towel. So I have about 18 to 20 shrimps. This is for the sauce. I have taken 3 tablespoons of mayo, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and almost 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. This is our garnishing sauce. For seasoning of shrimps, I have taken half of a lemon or lime wedge, then 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. So this will go in the marination for our shrimps. Of course, we need some small size fajitas, this flour tortillas, and some oil for cooking. I have a bunch of colorful green vegetables here. I have chopped coriander, purple cabbage, 3 types of bell peppers, green, orange, and red, some chopped onion, lime wedges, and avocado. Simply mix this all together, and that's our sauce. Here you go. If you want, you can add some lemon juice and salt and pepper, but just these 3 ingredients are good enough. I have this cute little disposable container, and I'm going to pour this sauce in this container so that we can have a topping time to marinate the shrimps. Squeeze some lemon juice. Can add all these ingredients. Alright, so let's give that a good mix. This is going to be a beautiful, flavorful shrimp fajitas. And here you go. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, so while my shrimps are marinating, let's move on to the next step. So I have cast iron skillet here and added about 1 tablespoon of oil, and getting this veggie nicely toasted. I'm not going to cook it thoroughly, just need that little crunch. So add oil, add veggies, and these are all colored bell peppers, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, and just put it on a high flame and sizzle it for about 2 minutes. As you can see, I have seasoned it with pepper and some salt. There you go, and look at this, how beautifully they are caramelized and with that nice crunchy flavor. I'm going to remove them and get the second batch ready. Alright, so I have my onions and red bell peppers ready here. So let me saute it for 2 minutes and they will be on that plate. And look at this, my third batch of shrimp. Now they are sizzling, and I'll let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And once you see they're changing its color on both the sides and caramelized a little, then you are going to remove it in the plate, and then it's fun time. And look at this, I have flipped them on the other side and letting it cook for about 1 minute or so. And once they are ready, I'm going to get the second batch of the shrimp ready. Alright, so while my shrimps are cooking, let's get the tortillas ready. So either this is the traditional method. If you want to skip this, you can just get a skillet and put the tortilla on the skillet and lightly roast it. This is a unique way, and traditional way of doing the fajitas. Just lightly toasted on the other side. Look at this beautiful roasty flavor, and this is done. Wow, look at that. Alright, let me keep it aside and get all the tortillas done. And look at this, guys, how colorful and gorgeous this already looks. And once it goes in the fajita tortilla, it's going to be even more delicious and flavorful. So I can't wait to assemble this. Let's get started. And look at this beautiful, colorful and healthy shrimp fajitas right here. Just squeeze some lime juice and dip in this yummy, delicious sauce and enjoy this shrimp fajita. Right, so I hope you like this recipe and you're gonna give it a try at home. It's just simple, easy recipe, but so delicious and tasty recipe. So I enjoy this, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.